हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट मीरा और आज हमारे साथ है शिल्पा जी और कुसुम जी। वेलकम टू बीरल बयानी।
थैंक यू,
मैनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आपकी नई फिल्म आ रही है।
आई नो, बहुत नर्वस हूँ लेकिन आ रही है। और हमारी प्रोड्यूसर प्रेरणा अरोरा जी जो है वो ज़रा बिजी है फिल्म के रिलीज में, तो ये उनकी बहन है कुसुम जी जो हमारे साथ आपके जो मेरे साथ आपके इस सेगमेंट में और आपके इंटरव्यूज़ में हम दोनों साथ में सवाल जवाब करेंगे।
ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले रैपिड फायर से।
जी
ठीक है। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू एंड फॉर यू बोथ सिमिलर है। वन वर्ड फॉर जट्टाधारा।
शिवा। स्पिरिचुअल।
ये शिल्पा मैम के लिए। अ रोल ऑफ योर्स यू वुड लव टू रिविजिट।
आई कांट चूज वन बिकॉज मेरे इतने फॉन्ड मेमोरीज है मेरे हर फिल्म के साथ, तो इट्स अनफेयर टू मी टू चूज वन ऑफ द मेनी फिल्म्स आई हैव डन। तो मैं अगर मेरे सारे फिल्में अभी वापस करे तो आई थिंक I'll do even better.
Biggest risk you took for this movie, Kusum ji?
Well, I think every movie has its own timing, and for me, my sister, this film felt above everything, above us. So I think this has got a divine timing. That felt right.
Okay. Bollywood or OTT, what excites you the most today?
Everything, because it's work, and I think it's not as an actor it will be unfair to choose one platform. I think everything has its own charm, everything has its own visibility and everything. So I think for me at this stage of my life, I just want to be everywhere doing the right things.
Okay. Kusum ji, for you, one actor you want to produce a film with next?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh. Supernatural power you wish you had? Shilpa
Me?
ji. Yes.
I don't need supernatural powers. I'm in my mind very powerful, and if your mind is in control, then you're sorted.
Yeah, I would agree with her.
Supernatural से भी ऊपर हो जाते हो फिर, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Budget or creativity? What wins?
Creativity.
Okay. Your 3 a.m. friends from the industry?
I am fast asleep at 3 a.m. It's been a while that I've been awake at 3 a.m.
Seriously? Like कितना फिर भी साल हो गया होगा? साल पूछूं या महीने पूछूं?
नहीं, but I'm not a night person. I'm a morning person, और मैं हर मेरे फ्रेंड्स को पता है कि अगर मुझे आप सुबह 6 बजे भी उठाओगे तो मैं उठ के काम पे जा सकती हूँ. But रात को मैं 8 साढ़े 8 बजे I like to be in my bed.
Wow.
So I'm that kind of person.
So morning person, like industry में से अगर पूछूं मैं morning person कौन है आपके साथ? To hang out?
Well, I don't have
morning walk?
नहीं morning walk के लिए I think it's better to walk alone ना. बात करते करते फिर steps कैसे होंगे? So honestly I don't have friends in the industry. They are all my colleagues who I left the industry when I left many years ago. और इतनी इज्जत कमाई है और इतना रिस्पेक्ट है कि अगर मैं उन्हें कभी भी मिलूँ वापस तो हम लोग वहीं से शुरू करेंगे जहाँ से छोड़ा था. आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड टू बी इन टच एंड टू टेल द वर्ल्ड कि हम लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं. तो या
more of connections, I think.
Yeah, connections भी, you know, you don't need to use a connection ना. You meet them, you worked so many years, you worked in a time where you made relationships and respect for each other. और that much confidence I have कि अगर मैं किसी को भी कहीं पे भी मिलूँ किसी भी मौके पे वो वहीं से रिश्ता शुरू होगा.
कुसुम जी, आपसे one superstitious you actually believe in? Superstition power?
No, I don't believe in. I believe in God, and when I think of Him, then everything dissolves. So
Absolutely.
I am not a superstitious person.
Oh wow. One thing fans don't know about you, Shilpa ji. Anything you would like to reveal?
Well, I think fans don't know about me today that I am an early sleeper. I'm a morning person, not a night person. Because लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में है तो सब नाइट पीपल ही होंगे. तो I think that's one new thing that the fans have.
नहीं, but बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हमने भी देखे हैं जो नाइट पर्सन नहीं है, मॉर्निंग पर्सन.
हाँ. I think that's the best. AM is my best time.
Yeah. I think we'll discover with Jatadhara because we shot it at night mostly. So that's how the discovery happens.
आपका sleep timing सारी चीजें spoil हो गई.
But काम के लिए हर चीज okay. हाँ, absolutely.
Okay, who is the calmest person on set? Kusum ji.
Not my sister.
Oh.
Definitely. But I think all of them are. They're such great artists that we never had to face anything ever.
Yeah, you know, I actually would like to add something to that. I think this particular film, जैसे सब बोलते हैं ना, वो हम लोग डर गए, इतना ये, इतना वो mystery है, horror है, ये है, वो है. लेकिन in set पे we were all so happy and we were so positive. I don't think there was any actor who threw a tantrum. सब अपने
Not
टाइम पे
at
आते
all.
थे, काम खत्म होने तक रहते थे, और हंसते हंसते फिल्म बन गई actually.
और ये 50 days में ही शॉट किया गया है.
Yeah, I think
Seriously, मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है 50 days में.
I'm telling you, there is divine intervention happening here.
Yeah.
Clearly. Because
सर कहीं ना कहीं बड़े कलाकार के साथ काम करने का यही एक सही होता है चीज़ कि बहुत जल्दी शूट हो जाती है और वो ऑन टाइम होता है.
yes, because they're so professional, first of all.
Yeah.
They know their work and they're so talented. They're so, like, obviously we are learning from them. Like this, it's an opportunity
Acha.
to even be here and talk to, like, you know, have this interview going on right now with ma'am, because we look up to them. And very grateful that we had this team here. Such great actors are working with us. Sonakshi ma'am is there, Sudhir Babu is there, so we had a very good time.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Okay. If not an actor, what would you be?
Well, I was very poor in studies. If not an actor, my mother used to work in a hotel, Centaur Hotel. तो हर weekend को हम लोग, like Saturdays को especially, we used to go. And I used to run a typewriter. उस time पे वो पुराने ज़माने का typewriter होता था. And I used to type my name and with school I come and my age and all that. तो given I used to always tell my mother हंसते हंसते कि मम्मा अगर मैं actor नहीं बनती तो maybe I would have worked as a receptionist where I would do typing jobs or something like that. I think.
Okay. Who is a film you wish you had produced?
I think I wish I had done my sister's first film, that is Rustam, with her, because this is the first time we both have come together because of Jatadhara. But yeah, if I could go back, I would have done that with her because she's supremely talented and वो emotion को merge करती है purpose के साथ. So her content is different and I'm so happy that I'm doing this with her, but yeah, it would have been Rustam otherwise.
Okay. Ma'am, a film that changed your life?
All my films have changed my life a lot. Back then in the 90s, like I said, it's unfair for me to pick and choose one film because every film that didn't work also taught you a lot.
Yeah.
And every film that did well also taught you a lot. So it's a process for every actor to just go through that journey. But if I have to talk about the present, my Bigg Boss journey changed my life a lot at this present moment. Because I feel that it gave people knew who Shilpa Shirodkar was. They didn't have a face to it because I was gone away for so many years.
No, and we are so happy because
yeah.
Jatadhara happened after that and we
soon
found
after
her.
that. And I feel that all this while people only knew Shilpa Shirodkar, फिर ये film की है, वो character का नाम है. Today people know me as I am.
Yes.
So I think that has changed me a lot.
Wow, that's great.
Given me an identity of my own.
Okay, OTT or theatrical, you first pick?
Me?
Yeah.
Theatres.
Theatre?
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course, that's our bread and butter. So post-COVID, I would obviously want theatres to do very well now because
Yeah, agree.
we know what happens otherwise.
Well, ये थोड़ा Gen Z question है. Describe.
Excuse me, what? I mean, hello. I am boomer. I know.
Okay.
बराबर बोला ना? I know Gen Z answers. My team is Gen Z.
Okay. Biggest fear on a supernatural set? You, Shilpa ji.
I don't fear anything because I love my God.
Yeah.
And I think when you have your God with you all the time, there's no reason to fear about anything. So I am absolutely fearless because I know that I'm being protected, and like I always say on all my platforms also, my bio says God's favorite child. So I believe that I'm God's favorite child. He's put me through whatever He has, and He's the one who's been there holding my hand to let me cross the path.
अभी मेरी ज़ुबान पे यही आया था, खुदा की बंदी है.
हाँ, मैं खुदा की ही बंदी हूँ.
Okay, for success, luck or hard work?
I think both. I would not say hard work works alone. I think you need luck, but yeah, it's a combination of both.
Okay, one line that defined you as a producer.
I'm still learning, honestly speaking, so I have a long way to go. But I think there is a creative sense, and that is required in a producer also, because it is business, but it also needs you to be creative in this platform at least.
Okay, last question, दोनों के लिए. Go to comfort food after a long shot. Did you?
On this set, no, we
Yes.
were not shooting in at home. We were shooting in Mount Abu, but there was the production team. They used to make sure whatever we needed was made available for us. And so there was no comfort food. घर का खाना नहीं था, लेकिन जितना हो सके वो हमारे लिए सब करते थे.
Wow.
But my comfort food, if I was in Bombay, would have been varan bhat and batatechi bhaji with a little bit of tup ghee.
Wow.
That's
This sounds so good.
That's
and
my
tempting.
yeah. Desi nahi, Maharashtrian
Core
food.
food.
Yeah. हाँ,
Core
मतलब
food.
महाराष्ट्र भी
Yeah.
देसी ही हुआ ना.
Yeah, yeah.
वो सबसे ज़्यादा ही पसंद आता है
हाँ.
सबको, right?
Yeah.
आपके लिए last question. What's next after this?
So there is something coming up, and I think let us announce that shortly.
Am I in
another-
it?
You should be in everything, man.
पहले से booking.
You should be in everything. You're a lucky charm. She is. We're so happy to have her, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah, and every time I'm looking at her, I'm feeling like a fangirl instead
Oh,
of
God.
a
Seriously?
producer right now. Yeah.
Kusum, don't say
No,
that.
I'm being
So
honest.
ये fan moment on set भी हुआ था?
नहीं नहीं
नहीं हुआ?
Not really.
कुछ नहीं कुछ भी नहीं.
अभी हो रहा है ज़्यादा.
I think yeah, I'm meeting her for the first time.
Oh.
I didn't get a chance to meet her
Yeah.
on the set.
अच्छा.
And Prerna just told me yesterday my sister's going to be there with my daddy. I met Prerna's dad in Hyderabad. It was so nice to meet because I know what they mean to Prerna and how much of a support system they are. They're a very close family, and I know what they mean to each other. So when you meet them, you just feel that okay, आपके बारे में सुना है, आज आपको मिल भी लिया. And it's a very beautiful relationship.
My
they
reason
have.
to come here is honestly her today.
Oh my God.
That is. Thank you so much,
Well
ma'am.
earned, well earned. Thank you
वेल
so
ये
much.
रैपिड फायर यहीं खत्म होता है, बट थोड़ा सा पिक्चर के बारे में, हम मूवी के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. शिल्पा मैम, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, सुपरनैचुरल है, थोड़ा सा माइथो की तरफ भी है, तो आपको जब ये स्क्रिप्ट पता चली थी तो क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था, करना है नहीं करना है? वाज दिस इन योर बकेट लिस्ट?
नहीं करना था, नहीं करना है, ऐसा कभी भी थॉट भी नहीं आया, क्योंकि मैं जस्ट बिग बॉस से बाहर आई थी और प्रेरणा का फ़ोन आया था टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट मी ऑन माई स्टिंट इन बिग बॉस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड शी सेड मैम आई एम डूइंग दिस तेलुगु फिल्म, तेलुगु हिंदी फिल्म, would you like to be part of it? I want you to listen to the subject. There's a very nice character. If you think it's right for you, then you let me know. We really want to work together. तो मैंने कहा okay fine. Knowing Prerna, because everything was already final. I think the next day or that same evening, Venkat sir, Shivan and myself, we got on a Zoom call and Venkat sir started narrating the subject to me. और जैसे Venkat sir started narrating the subject to me, I was like, okay, you know, this, and then he started the main sequence of the film, like, you know, जहाँ से धन पिसाचनी आती है. I was like, आप ये मुझे ऑफर कर रहे हैं? तो उन्होंने बोला मैम हाँ, and you know, like, and then after I said, and by the time he finished it, I was listening to each, and you know, there are moments as human beings, we kind of cut off and we come back. There was not a moment in that entire narration that I switched off and connected again. And then he said, ma'am, what do you think? And I said, yeah, it's very nice, very interesting, very different for what I've ever done. And so he said, okay, ma'am. I said, I'll speak to Prerna. Prerna called me immediately and I said, Prerna is really nice, thank you so much. I said, okay, ma'am, close then. We are working. And in a few weeks, we were in Mount Abu shooting.
Wow.
Matlab, it was just, and it's actually not even a year. We started shooting, I think, February or March. And we are, in release in November now, एक हफ्ते में.
Very fast. Well, सुपरनैचुरल ये सारी चीज़ें जब लेकर आते हैं इस मूवी को, इस तरह की मूवी को लेकर, तो किस तरह का चैलेंजेस फेस करना पड़ता है स्पेशली प्रोड्यूसर्स को?
चैलेंजेस से ज़्यादा टू गेट सच अ सब्जेक्ट इन टुडेज टाइम, बिकॉज आई थिंक हम सबको पता है दैट हम कलयुग में रहते हैं एंड वी लिव अमंगस्ट इवल्स एंड टू शो दैट गुड विल ऑलवेज विन ओवर इवल, ये सदियों से चल रहा है. हमारी स्टोरी में भी कहीं ना कहीं इट इज गॉड अबाउट एवरीथिंग. द मैसेज इज दैट इट्स अबाउट पेरेंट्स, यू नो, द पेन पेरेंट्स टेक, it has that kind of emotion here, and at the end it shows that good will always win. So the main, the main content, the main idea, the main vision has been this only. It's about parents, it's about God.
Okay.
And it's about defeating evils.
तो मतलब ये अच्छा मैसेज दे सकती है ऑडियंस में.
Yes. I think my sister always does films which has a purpose and message, like I told you. And Jatadhara will not be any different once you all watch it, and I hope you all love it and give us love.
Well, मैम, ये जिस तरह से सुपरस्टिशियस चीज़ों के ऊपर है, तो आपने तांत्रिक वांत्रिक वाली चीज़ों को कितना आपने लर्न किया था, या किस तरह से, मतलब जब स्क्रिप्ट हाथ में आई थी तो आप ओके थे, या आपको ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए?
बिल्कुल लर्न नहीं किया. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, आई लव माई गॉड एंड आई डोंट बिलीव इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. It's a part of the script and a part of being an actor that you perform different characters. But nevertheless, I also believe that अगर good है तो evil भी होगा. मैंने कभी experience भी नहीं किया है, ना मैंने कभी सुनी है बातें, लेकिन जिस तरह विश्वास ही नहीं है उन चीज़ों को, you never go deep into it. So yeah, so for me, I just perform and that's about it.
But कई बार ऐसे होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस किरदार होते, तो किरदार से निकलने में वक्त लगता है, तो आपको कभी आपके किरदार से निकलने में वक्त लगा?
नहीं, I think
ऐसे कभी पिछले मूवीज में हुआ है?
नहीं, actually for me, I think I've learned the art of switching on and switching off.
Wow.
I never take my work home. In fact, हमेशा हम लोग ये जब शूट भी करते थे तो घर आके बहुत अच्छी नींद आती थी, because I never thought about it or anything like that. So it was absolutely fine. और the best part about shooting this was सब एक शेड्यूल में हो गया, like एक ही साथ. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि एक शेड्यूल करो फिर 1-2 महीने के बाद वापस उस कैरेक्टर में आ जाओ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. So it was there and it was done, finished.
Well, आपको लगता है कि एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए इंडस्ट्री चेंज हुई है? आप जहाँ से आते हो, मतलब जिस टाइम से आप वर्क कर रहे हो, वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, बट आपको लगता है कि एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए इंडस्ट्री चेंज हुई है अभी फिलहाल के लिए?
एक्टर्स के लिए चेंज हुई है, एक्ट्रेसेस नहीं सिर्फ, बट आई थिंक फॉर एक्टर्स ओवरऑल. आई थिंक टुडे हर इंसान काम कर रहा है, वेदर यू आर 20 or you're 70, it doesn't matter, or 80 also, you're doing work because there's something written for everyone. एज इज जस्ट अभी लोगों के दिमाग में है कि अरे ये उम्र है, अभी वो उम्र है. आई मीन इट्स वंस एन एक्टर ऑलवेज एन एक्टर, एंड द गुड पार्ट इज टुडे देयर इज वर्क written for women my age, and it's opening new avenues, new doors, different platforms are there.
Yes,
and I think that's what matters.
इसके बाद बकेट लिस्ट में क्या हो सकता है?
बहुत सारा काम करना है.
Anyone you would like to do? किरदार की
No, it's nothing like one particular kirdar or whatever it is. As an actor, like, you know, there's different content being written. So I'd like to be part of all interesting stuff, everything that is there over platforms. I want to be busy. I just want to wake up every day morning, shower, go to my makeup room, do my makeup and be in front of the camera, because I don't know anything else. I don't know anything better.
Yeah.
I just love my work.
रिसेंटली बिग बॉस के सेट पर जब अभी सोनाक्षी आई थी तो उन्होंने कहा था कि उनका ये किरदार है और आपका किरदार अलग है, तो सलमान सर ने बोला था कि पिस्ताशियो का किरदार है. So what do you want to say?
No, that's Salman being Salman. I mean, I'm sure he's just truly a well-wisher. He was so kind and gentle to me when I was घर में. Even when I came back, he only wished me well. हम हमेशा हर weekend पे आते थे और एक ही बोलते थे, शिल्पा, you have no idea what the world is waiting for you outside. And I'm so grateful to him, and I will always be so grateful to him for having looked after me like he did in that house, and giving me that love, respect, and here I am. I'm sure he'll be very proud of the fact that I'm here working back on in cinema, and you know, so yeah.
आपको लगता है बिग बॉस आपके लिए तो खैर राइट डिसीजन ही था, बट अदरवाइज भी कुछ लोगों के करियर रिवाइव करने के लिए वो राइट डिसीजन हो सकता है?
वेल, आई थिंक एवरी अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर अपने ज़िंदगी में आती है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होता ही है जी. हमारे सोच में प्रॉब्लम है अगर हम लोग उस तरह से नहीं देखें. तो या इट वर्क्स फॉर सम, इट डजंट वर्क फॉर सम. आई थिंक इट्स ऑल हाउ यू परसीव इट.
ओके, चलिए लास्टली आप जाते जाते अपने फैंस एंड व्यूअर्स को क्या कहना चाहोगे अबाउट दिस मूवी?
वेल, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी आपको कि प्लीज़ जाके देखिए 7 नवंबर को हमारी फिल्म जटाधारा. बहुत बहुत शिद्दत से बनाई है हम लोगों ने ये फिल्म. प्लीज़ हमें बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार दीजिए, और आई होप कि आपको हमारे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे, एंड जस्ट विश अस वेल. प्लीज़ प्रे फॉर अस एंड go and watch the film.
Yes, please do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you.